Hello guys, welcome back to Programming Knowledge Hub. My name is Vishal. In this lecture, we will learn about the nested switch statement in C Sharp. Just like the nested if-else statement, there is a nested switch statement in C Sharp. We can write switch statement inside another switch statement. That means there will be two switch statements. One will be the outer switch statement and another will be the inner switch statement. The nested switch statement is provided in the case statement of the outer switch statement. If that particular case statement is true, then the inner switch statement will be executed, otherwise it will be skipped. Now, let's take a look at the syntax of the nested switch statement. There will be an outer switch statement with its own expression and multiple case statements. In one of the case statements, we can write another switch statement with another expression and its own multiple case statements. When the case statement evaluates to true, then the inner switch statement will be executed. Once the inner switch statement finishes executing, the C# compiler will encounter the break statement and the controller will exit the switch statement, and the rest of the statement after the outer switch statement will be executed. Now let's switch to Visual Studio. Here I have created a simple console application. We will write a simple program to demonstrate the use of nested switch statements. Let's create two variables called variable A and variable B and assign them the values 100 and 200 respectively. Let's say variable A is equal to 100 and variable B equals 200. Now let's write the outer switch statement. Let's say switch, and we will be passing expression as a variable A. Let's write the case statement saying if the value of that expression is 100, then let's print the value on the console using console.writeLine. The value A is A. Now let's write the another switch statement inside the same case statements. Let's say switch, and we'll be passing variable B as an expression, and we'll write multiple case statements, and we will comparing the value of those case statements against the value of this B. Let's write case 200. Then the value of the B is 200. Then let's print the same on the console saying the value of B is B. And if the value of B is not 200, now then let's write another case statement saying case 300. Then write on the console the same value. The value of B is plus B. And lastly, then let's write the default statement. Default. Then let's print on the console saying this is default statement. Then let's write break, and let's press the Control K plus Control D to align the code. Here the program is giving error on these lines because we forgot to write the break keyword after the case statement. So let's write the break keyword after each case statement, and now the error is gone. But we have an error on this case statement also. So what we are missing? We are also missing the break statement for this case statement. So let's write the break statement over here, and now this error should be gone. Perfect, this error is gone. Lastly, let's write the default statement for the outer switch statement and print the value on the console saying this is outer switch default statement. Let's write the break and let's save our program. So now let's run this program using the Ctrl F5 and let's check the output. Here is the output of the program. Now let's understand the flow. The first case statement of the outer switch statement is executed and is evaluated to true as the value of A is 100. Then the compiler executes console.writeLine method and prints the value of A on the console. Then the compiler moves to the inner switch statement. Similarly, the first case statement of the inner switch statement evaluates to true as the value of B is 200 and the same is printed on the console. Then the rest of the case statements are skipped, and when the compiler encounters the break keyword, the control is thrown out of the outer switch statement. This is how the nested switch statement works. Here remember one thing, when the outer case statement containing the inner switch statement evaluates to true, then and then only the inner switch statement will be executed, otherwise the inner switch statements will not be executed. Here is the screenshot of the same program. Try running this program on your machine and check the output. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your other friends. Also, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new video.